Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir Bakov here from Traders Academy Club and the developer of the Forex Triple B. So this video is the weekly performance review of the trading week 27 to 31 of January 2020. In this video I would like to go over the trades we took this week and explain them step by step. Basically the way we work as always is pre-analyzing the market, explaining planning, sorry, what we want to trade, and then waiting for the Forex Triple B to alert us in these directions, and then we trade it. And in this video I would be explaining the steps and the logic behind them. So as always, the performance is available for you in the Forex Triple B page in the under the performance tab. It wasn't crazy active week, but we still managed to enjoy from several good calls, as you can see this week. Several nice winners and one loss. So let's start then. The first one was the Euro Franc, and the idea was looking for the sell. As per the Triple B, as we can see here, the slope on the higher time frame, the slope of the Bollinger Bands is bearish. We enjoy from lower highs, lower low structure. We got two waves correction, and as long as we remain below the middle of the Bollinger Bands on the higher time frame, our goal is bearish. What did we have on the market analysis leading us to the conclusion it was a sell? At the beginning of the week, what we enjoyed from was this bearish hidden divergence, and the idea was ride the sells as long as they come in play. And what happened with Triple B is this exactly. We got the rally in a bearish trending structure with the bearish hidden divergence. It was an easy decision and kind of easy sell. Next one was a Euro Pound to the sell direction as well. Now this pair technically was very well prepared. Now I would like to explain it. What did we have? So first of all, the long-term bearish direction, as we can see, classical trend conditions, two waves retrace, trendline breakout, and bearish divergence. All come in play here when the 4-hour chart recreated for us the lower highs, lower low structure, which is a bearish pattern by itself. So the idea is pretty easy: sell retraces. Now in that place we got the retrace. It was a bit deeper here. And here, I'll just try to show that accurately here, we developed a bearish hidden divergence for the trend continuation. So the daily is bearish trend as just explained. We are below the lower Bollinger Band, the middle Bollinger Band, and 1 hour chart delivers us this retrace pullback. Now here is what we got here. We got a false breakout on the top with a bearish divergence classically set on the moving averages. So it's pretty easy decision here to go for such a sell and to ride it. And after the waiting a bit, the pair delivered. Next one, New Zealand dollar, lower time frame trading. We got a trending structure of lower highs, lower lows, two waves correction here that was also blocked in this resistance zone, and the falling trend line. All that is while we are riding on below the higher time frame Bollinger Band, and the idea is easy, looking for the sells. As per the analysis, we are currently riding the corrective phase of this cycle. The idea we had here is to enjoy this ride. On the 4-hour chart, what we got before was 3 lower highs, 3 lower lows, ranging structure, break out to the downside and start to develop again. There was no divergence against us at that moment. So sell the rallies was a very easy decision, and in that case delivered greatly. Now beautiful part of this trade is if you missed once, the market provided one again right here to go and to join it, even on better price. Well, we are involved in, so for us it's pretty much enough. Pound dollar was the next one for the sell, and here is what we had on this pair. Pound dollar. Here we are. So according to the higher time frame, after the triple cycle with the bearish divergence, I was expecting corrective cycle to take place. The 4-hour chart, basically the way it was developing is a triple cycle to the downside with 2 waves correction, and the idea was to look for these sells for trend continuation. The lower time frame delivered us this exactly two waves retrace and classical setup while we are riding below the 4-hour chart Bollinger Band, and with some patience we continued to ride the trend all the way to the downside. Pound yen, the analysis was pretty much the same analysis. The better part on this that we also item was chosen. 3 lower highs, 3 lower lows for trend structure, and 2 waves correction. 4-hour chart Bollinger Band was pointing to the downside, which means we are ready and prepared there. As per the analysis, what did we have and why did we choose this pair? The 3 lower highs, 3 lower lows on the 4-hour chart with 2 waves correction here with this ending divergence and the breakout. So we started to redevelop the move down and regained a convergence. There was no divergence against us, so the decision to go for a sell is easy. And in that case, after some patience and riding, a day after, we hit the profit we wanted to see from the 4-hour chart. One more came up of New Zealand dollar after riding the first trade. The pair redeveloped bigger classical trending structure with 2 waves correction. The analysis is the same exactly as I showed before. There was nothing against, and we are riding in the corrective cycle from the higher time frame space, and the decision here is super easy. Now the last one was the pound CAD for a sell. Like all the rest of the pounds, the direction was defined by the higher time frame. It was here. Apparently it was wrong direction, but with the sell here we were looking for that, right? The 4-hour chart created the retrace and we wanted to go for a sell. Once we crossed down here, I personally expected it to continue lower, and unfortunately in that case it was a wrong decision and the market hit it to the upside. For all those of you who own the Forex Triple B copy, I would like to remind you that you are invited to join our completely free Telegram channel for Forex Triple B trading. This is the place where we are there, myself and my team are there for you to answer questions, help you with anything you need about the Triple B, sharing with you trading ideas, as you can see as well during the week. Some of them pay amazing. Oops, sorry, what did I press? Some of them pay amazingly when the market is moving, like this one, the Euro New Zealand. It was shared with you right here on this plan, watching for the retrace and the buys, and then boom, we got it and we enjoyed it. And if you do not have your Forex Triple B, but you do want to join our community there, so it's easy inside the Forex Triple B website, which you can also find in the description below the video and in the pinned comment. You have this get it now. You have a free option there to get it with the brokers program. So if you do love the way that the trading system works and the opportunities it delivers, and you want to join our community and to enjoy the trading ideas and the discussion we have in the Telegram channel, you are invited. And that's pretty much it for this week. I hope you find it useful, educational and helpful. these sort of videos, and I hope you understand the logic behind the trades that we decide to take and the steps we do in our analysis. As you always say, it's repeating and repeating and repeating, and we don't have any magical tools here. What we do is multi-time frame analysis, synchronizing the direction we trade, and we trade in this direction once the triple B fits in our analysis. That's pretty much it, and then we just let the statistics speak for itself. So that was all for this week. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you a fabulous weekend, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Bye for now, yours, Vladimir Bakov.